So today I'm gonna make a video about how to make just a basic. I mean, we are going to put a square in this. We're gonna use sdl2 in a C++. So basically, we're gonna code the window, and let me explain. So first of all, I want to introduce to myself. I am a really young programmer that has no idea what he's doing, and well, you may be saying, well, that's every programmer. I have to admit, that's a good point. But anyways, I just like to do really weird videos, and you may be realizing I don't speak English. I mean, I'm from Chile, we speak Spanish here, it's not my main language. So, well, anyways, I'm going to create the project where we're gonna have our program. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering what is and what is that, and that's the code that was behind this. It's a really basic TensorFlow program. I mean, it's nothing special, right? It just goes to a data set, whatever, just whatever, whatever. Now we're going to create an actual file like C++. We're going to call it main.cpp. Perfect name, right? The best name ever. So yeah, now we're gonna go here, and we're going to install sdl2, right? It's pretty important to install sdl2 because we have, and if you ask me, do you have to install sdl2 in every single project that you use? Yes, you have to install SDL or whatever C++ library. You have to install it every single time. I'm serious. I know it doesn't look as fun as it is, So we're gonna go with this one. I don't know all of this one. Well, I don't know about them, so you shouldn't install them. Yeah, we shouldn't install things that we don't know what they even do, right? Totally don't do that. Right, so here we have the project. So the first thing we want to do is, it's actually include this project. We want to include the sdl.h, that will be our library, and to include the IOS, really important. We want to use namespace tv, also very important, right? And we're going to just to check everything is working. We're gonna do a simple hello world. We're just gonna do a very simple program just to check if it's even working. But now I have to put undef main. That's a SDL2 problem. I don't know about all of that things. I don't know, it's just a bug. It works, alright? Right, now let's wait. Let's see if it even works. Looks good. Yes, SDL2 working. So now we can actually create the window. We're gonna first do that. So for that, we're gonna do sdl window, and window equals sdl create window. It's gonna have a title, simple SDL, and then it's gonna be SDL, window pause, centered, SDL, window pause, centered, 100. So basically here we are putting the variable window and we are declaring it with with creating the window. This is the title. Then all of this is to make when I'm going to run this program, it's going to appear in the main, in the center of the screen, and that's really what we want right now. Then this is the X resolution and Y resolution, and this is just because we won't put any more things in here. Now we can delete this, and right now we actually want to detect if the window opened correctly, and if it did not, we actually want to see out, I don't know, just error occurred, whatever, spell it probably wrong, an error occurred in the window, the line, right, and we will return -1, since that's an error. -1, it's not 0, it's an error. It's an error code, right. Now we're going to do SDL, event, I don't know if that's illegal to call it like that, but I'm just gonna call it like that, shall we? Now we're gonna make a bool, keep window open, right, so while keep window open equals true, we're gonna have another while, that's going to be SDL call event this event event I don't know what happened, so yeah, if you ask me what's happening right here, why am I using this, I'm glad you ask. I don't know. I have no idea why this is happening. Oh yeah, I forgot one of these. So now we're gonna use a switch statement. Yes, I don't know how to write that. So it's going to be event type, and it's going to be the case SDL quit, and that's going to be enter, keep window open equals false. Oh yes, and I have to here equals true. Nice. Now we're going to, this is going to be break, right? We have to break it, right? So now with this code that you can see in screen, it should open the window. In theory, it should pop up a window. Okay, right. And yeah, it's really nice to actually, I honestly think this is so nice to render so quick everything, because I actually have 2 GPUs. Yes, I'm into AI, so having 2 GPUs is actually perfect. I have 2 1650 Supers, NVIDIA, of course, who uses AMD. Right, sorry for AMD users, sorry. I'm an Intel guy and NVIDIA. Right, so I just think that right now the screen looks a bit weird. I mean, come on, it's just a white screen. So So let's do some things here. Let's actually use rendering in order to do here things, right? So we're going to do sdl render, okay, renderer equals sdl create renderer. Right, so yeah, we're gonna first use window, then -1, then we're gonna do sdl renderer accelerated, and sdl renderer prosync. Right, so let me explain here. Same as happening, we're using window since it's our window that we want to render. Then -1, I don't know, that's for where do we want the render to be, in which, like, there's layers, you know, layer 0, layer 1, layer 2, you know, it's 2D, well, sdl2. And now the thing is, I'm using -1 since apparently sdl2, its default is -1, so I just use it. Then I don't know what does this, but it's the way it is. Okay, so now we're going to create a function called cube. Right, this function is gonna have a lot of things that I can't remember, but let's try it. So I think it's sdl rect. Right, so now we use rect.x equals, let's say, 400. Rect.y equals 400. Rect.width equals 50. Rect.height equals 50. It's a cube. Right, I have no idea what to do now for rendering the thing, so lucky me, I have a repository in GitHub. So here, oh wait, I need to sign in. So yeah, okay, I'm logged in, perfect. Right, so yeah, I think it was this, maybe this, maybe yes, right. So yeah, I'll just copy this part, right, and paste. So yeah, here is renderer, renderer. Right, so let me explain what's going on here. So here we're gonna put the color to the renderer, then we are going to render the rectangle, or the cube in this case. Then for a reason I have to rechange the color of the renderer, and I have no idea why we have to do that. I mean, seriously, please don't ask me why, because I have no idea why we have to put 2 times that. Anyways, then we have to, I don't know, I guess render the renderer, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, I'm not the best realizing all of this, you know. A lot of things that I do, I don't understand. Well, any programmer can relate. So now a cube should appear. Now our screen should be black, because this is black, I hope. Nice. There we go. We have a cube, and it's a black background. Well, it's nice. I mean, come on. Looks good. I mean, well, I guess That's it for me. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.